Hi everybody, welcome back to Beth Unboxes. I'm Beth and I got my Allure box today. We're going to check it out and see what's inside. If you are not familiar with Allure, it is a monthly subscription box. You're going to get beauty, skincare items that are chosen by the Allure staff to be picked from the best of the best that they've reviewed for that category of items. So we always get really good stuff in Allure. The cost of this box is going to be $25 a month if you just get it month to month. If you want to prepaid for it quarterly, it's going to be $21.33 a month. If you want to prepay for it annually, it's going to be $18.25 a month. So you are going to get 6+ items, which will include 3 or more full-size items with over $100 value. So excellent box. I always love seeing what's inside. For this month box, there was a choice item. There's not always a choice item, but they're starting to do it more, and they're excellent products, you guys. I'm so excited. So we get our little book. This has the products that are in our box plus some others. So we'll go through this as we go through the box and see what the retail value is, if it's full size, if it's a deluxe sample, and see what we got. So for starters, the item we got to pick is a $58 value, full size, Charlotte Tilbury bronzer. This is, I'm so excited. And I have a lot of bronzer. I do not have a Charlotte Tilbury bronzer. You could choose from these shades, and it just, I'm so excited to get it. $58 value. This box was this box was $21.33 because I get it quarterly. Even if it's a $25 value, this is double the value of the box for this one single product. And I'm going to open it up. I chose the one for fair skin. This is going to be the perfect shade to use. It's just gorgeous. This is going to be one I'm going to get a lot of use out of. Again, this is more than double the cost of the box just for this one product, and we still have a box full of stuff. The next item we got in here is Grande Lash MD Lash Enhancing Serum. I have actually 1 or 2 of these. I'm not going to open it because I don't know if they dry out or not, but this is a product that you paint on your eyelash line, and it's supposed to help your eyelashes grow in thicker. I am not regular enough using this to notice if it makes a difference or not. I will just have to keep using the one I have until it's gone and see if I notice a difference, obviously, before I open this one or start to use it. But the value of that is going to be $68. I have heard other people use these and love them and get a lot of use. Again, I was so sporadic in using this. I keep forgetting I have it. It looks like mascara, all the reasons. I'm going to be more diligent and use the one I have because my eyelashes could certainly use some help. See how it works. And a $68 value, we're already well over $100 value for this box just in 2 items. And there's more. So 2 full-size items so far. This one is from Frutia, and this is a green grape pore control cream. The full size of this would be $24.10 for our 1.9, for almost 2 ounces. We got about 1/3 of an ounce. So this is a trial size. This is a K-Beauty product, which you guys know I've been doing some Korean beauty reviews with the Pink Soul box. I've been using a lot of it. I've been ordering it elsewhere as well. I do enjoy it. And this is another Korean beauty product. This turns watery and cools as you rub it in, making it fun to apply and lightweight. Despite its name, it's not really a cream. This is just a barrier to help your skin seal in moisture. Cute little sample. I would get like a little plastic spatula, disposable spatula. It is definitely a gel, not a cream. And they said it turns watery and cool as you apply it. So I'm excited to try that. That sounds fun. It's got a very nice fruity fresh scent. It doesn't have a very heavy fragrance. It just has a nice light fragrance. So very nice for that. So this is a deluxe size sample. And this one is by Rosie Jane. This I think is a perfume oil if I remember correctly. And it's going to have mandarin and coconut fragrances in this. And this is a $46 value. This is going to be, it looks like the full size of this. So $46 for this. Let's see if we can smell that coconut and orange. It sounds like a very nice smell. This is just roller bottle, simple. This is, I can smell the coconut, I can smell the mandarin. This is a nice fresh, not very heavy fragrance. It's light. You're probably going to need to keep it in your purse to reapply, but I like that smell. It's nice and fresh. The next one is Bag Balm Moisturizing Lip Balm. So you got, this would be a full size, not a trial size if it's lip balm. And this is going to be a $6.99 value, and it is all sealed up, so I'm going to leave it sealed up. I've got a lot of other lip balms. I do not need to open another one, but this is a Bag Balm lip balm. And our last item in here is from Kerastase. The retail price would be $58 for the full size of 210 mils. This is a deluxe version. They didn't even tell us the size of it, but it's obviously a lot smaller than that. This is an in-shower at-home gloss that can extend your hair color. So this is going to help if you color your hair like I do. It will lock in that color, give you some shine. And it says it also reduces frizz, which I've been fighting. I never have had frizzy hair. Unless back when I used to get perms. I don't usually deal with frizzy hair, but my hair's been frizzy lately, and I was able to unfrizz it today, so I'm excited for that. So we got, this is a deluxe sample, this is a deluxe sample, and we got what looks to be 4 full size, 2 samples. This is a great box. I just did the video on Birchbox as well, and I compared it to the Allure. Birchbox is $20 a month. This is a little teeny bit over $20 a month. It's night and day difference between what you get in Birchbox and what you get in Allure. Allure obviously miles ahead, but I love Allure. This is, I say this about so many of my boxes. It's one of my favorite boxes, but I have so many favorite boxes. This truly is one of my favorite boxes. P. Louise is, I probably have 2 or 3 all-time favorite boxes. Allure, P. Louise, and Pink Soul is becoming one that I really, really enjoy a lot. Not counting the quarterly boxes like FabFitFun. They're in a class all their own, but the holiday haul boxes, those are not in the same category really as these kind of boxes. Love, love, love those. But for my monthly beauty subscriptions, Allure is definitely in the top of the list. What else can I say? Great box. Thank you so much for joining me today on Beth Unboxes. Let me know what your picks were in your Allure box. I'd love to hear from you guys. I really appreciate when I get comments. I think I've answered every single comment that I've gotten, which admittedly hasn't been a ton, but I do try to answer every comment that I get, and I appreciate your feedback. I appreciate your suggestions. I've gotten some really good feedback and that's really helped. Boy, the sun came in. I've gotten some really great suggestions that have helped me on my channel already, and even for new subscription boxes that we're going to see this month. So love you guys' comments. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't yet, please subscribe, hit that like button, hit the notifications bell. But for now, I really hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and thank you so much for joining me on Beth Unboxes. Have a great one. Bye-bye.